I'd like to talk about Suresh, who is in IT. He is expert in virtualization, but he didn't really have good skills to be good at it. So Suresh tries lots of things like read books, he watches some YouTube videos, he also tried another material purchased from bookstores, but nothing seems really click for Suresh. Another guy in IT, name is Ram. He wanted to promote it within a company, but he also need more skills. And he tried several things. He tried attending class, using branded documentation, reading blogs. He invested lots of time to make some differences. He scheduled small chunk of time on daily basis. He communicated with friends and family about study and used right combination of videos and hands-on, and he able to gain skills he needed. And after few months, he feeling confident for skill. He did everything professionally and personally. He enjoyed the increased value that he deserved and promoted in a company, pay increased. Let me go back with Suresh. Suresh able to find training solutions that provide conscious, fun and accurate training using this course. That also included details on how to building own hands-on lab to get their practice. The combination of fun and effective video along with the hands-on practice and did the clicks. And so now knows concepts and mastering skills and thinking back on it. Suresh realized totally worth it. Commit your time daily toward your goal. Schedule time, practice hands-on and enjoy the journey. Schedule your 50 minutes for a daily and plan to see 2 videos on daily basis. Commit yourself and to your family publicly to study videos on daily. So it will create little bit pressure to complete this course successfully. If you like to commit to me, you can message to me like I commit to 15 minutes a day or 10 minutes a day. Another important thing is practice hands-on. In this course, I walked you through how to building hands-on virtual lab to practice. In practicing, I encourage you to be aware, never want to do anything illegal or unethical against any system you are not authorized. And practice with hacking tools, do in a safe and legal environment. I walked you through how to build lab in this course. Third secret thing is enjoy the journey of this course. Have fun with every single video of this course. I had fun creating it with the intent I and you going to enjoying content and having both of fun. So these are basic 3 elements of this course. Schedule time, practice hands-on and enjoy the journey. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.